Hi guys, it's Jade. Um, and I recently got an easy wake up. I started getting obsessed with them because I saw them on my FYP, my For You page, and I was like, oh my gosh! And I saw all the things that people would make for them that were mini. So I said, oh, let me put it on my Christmas wish list. And I got my hair done. Put in the comments down below if you like it. And here it is. Now, we're going to unbox it. And I was just thinking it would be cute to make a miniature cake. And cupcakes and what my little brain thinks of. And this is going to be a new series. And this is going to be a new series where you tell me what to make. Will you tell me what to make in the comments? I have no clue how to open this thing.
Please tell me you did not say yes. Not exactly. Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
I know, and I realize it may be awkward for you. But it was so beautiful to offer, and we'd save a ton in commission. Doesn't that make good business sense? Yes.
Actually, I don't know how to open it. I got it open, guys. I actually got it open. I got it open.
The one from out of 181? Oh, no, it's in 140. They'll have to come in there and take it through and take it out of the overhead garage door. I just got that 2 weeks ago, trying to help her out. I should have left it right over there because she didn't ask me to do that. And I was just trying to, because I knew that lady was coming. But if it wasn't in the way, he should have stayed right in there. It's the ugliest couch I ever seen.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. What is that doing? And then we're going to start.
It doesn't matter, we'll be out of the way. I'm not stressing about it.
Inside. Darren, this is Ben. Darren.
Heard a lot about you.
Yeah.
Ben's renovating.
What tree? Whose tree? Let me rephrase that. Whose tree is it?
The
Well, you
charging
better
thing.
tell them, and they better call me up and get it off your shit.
There's a bunch of cardboard and stuff. So that's
I thought
exciting.
you said it was on the shed. On your shed? Oh, that's Irene, that's Miss Irene's, son. And all you gotta do is go up to the auditor's office, or uptown, and they'll tell you who it is. I see him at the post office all the time.
Okay. And uh-oh.
Well, tell them both. Let Elder Ross figure it out. They need to find out who owns the lot.
This is
What was her last name?
oven.
That Miss Irene's last name. Oh, I can't think right now. But the man that owns it is named Steve.
I'm so excited. And so the first thing we have is this. I think we're supposed to take it and put it away. And the next one,
Yeah, that's it. Irene Noble. And Steve Noble is the, one
is the
that,
plate.
How do you even know about that?
With the money from this deal, your dad could go on a worldwide tour of all the best surf spots.
you know.
Emma could get a real start on that.
Yep, this is how it's supposed to be.
Now, it depends
Then this
on
is supposed
if
to
it's on the back side. That lot is not his.
What's in it for you?
Noble's lot is right on the side,
Now,
like where
see
I
the
used to park. In that drive, drive, where, that's his lot. But
hopefully it comes
somebody
with
else
instructions.
owns that one right behind there where that fence is.
Yes, it does.
Oh, well, I thought I was just funny.
There.
Stupid thing to say.
See.
I'm really sorry about that.
So, yeah, you better tell them.
I gotta get back in there, but
They don't know
Here's
how to
the baking
research it out.
line.
No, I'll help them.
On the pan tool, on the spatula, on the pan pusher, which is going to push that in. And then this is the pan pusher, which is going to push it in. The spatula is going to take it out. The cooling chamber is right there, and that's the baking spot. The power indicator light is right there, and the on and off switch.
Okay. Oh, right.
And you're going to preheat it for 20 minutes. It's very long. Hold on, Grandma. And when you're ready to bake, we're gonna put it in there. And you're gonna use the push. Going to use.
Riley, will you plug this back up for me?
hold on. I'm shooting a video. We just called it a day.
It's not like I shut down early. Schedule.
And
I need to talk to Sarah and my dad.
we're going to use this and push it in until this line.
Darren has an investment group that
And then you're gonna make sure the metal doors are closed on both sides. And when it's done, you're gonna use the pan pusher to move the pan all the way through the cooling chamber. And be careful, the pan is gonna be hot. Allow pan to cool in the chamber for 5 minutes.
financially
And this is what it's gonna look like.
would mean a whole new life for my family.
When cooling time is done, use the spatula to remove pan from oven. Turn off oven and unplug it, and we're gonna unplug it. And then wipe wipe it with it, and we're gonna clean it. So come back later to see what I do. Bye. Bye, Jaders.